Good morning everyone. Today I discuss about a civil engineering topic, estimating and cost evaluation 1. First of all, we discuss what is estimating and cost evaluation. For all engineering work, it is required to know beforehand the probable cost of construction known as estimated cost. If the estimated cost is greater than the money available, then attempts are made to reduce the cost by reducing the work or by changing the specifications. So first of all, we are going through estimation. So chapter 1, Introduction. So first, we know what is estimation. Estimation is the scientific way of working out the approximate amount of engineering project to execute a work. The subject estimation is very simple, nothing much to understand, but knowledge of drawing is essential. One who understands and can read drawing may find out the dimension, length, breadth, height, etc. from the drawing without difficulty. This may can calculate the quantity. The calculation of quantity mainly depends on the drawing length, breadth, height, or length into breadth or length into height. First of all, you know about the drawing and the knowledge about the plan. Okay. Then a growth of purpose of estimation. Estimate gives an idea of the cost of the work and hence its feasibility can be determined, that is whether the project could be taken up within the fund available or not. First of all, cost control is main object of estimating and costing. After that, the estimate gives an idea about the time requirement of the completion of the project. Estimate is required to invite the tender, quotation, to arrange the contract. Estimate is also required to control the expenditure during the execution of work. Estimate decides whether the proposed plan matches the fund available or not. By estimation, we go through equipment, tool, plants, and time required of the project, labor requirement of the project, how many costs needed for the project, how much material requirement. Then after that, we go through, we call the tender call. It is the purpose of estimation. This diagram, the flow diagram depends on the purpose of estimation. First purpose is equipment and tool plants. What is the need of equipment and tool plants? Equipment and plants to know the detail of cost of equipment, tool, plants and machinery to be used in construction. Then after that, we need time to plan time, schedule of construction depending upon the cash flow, that is availability of fund. Then we go through labor requirement. To know the detailed cost of different category of labor needed like masonry, excavation, RCC, plastering, painting, different type of work need different type of labor. We cannot use the labor whose labor used for excavation doesn't mean that this labor used for the painting. The different types of work need different types of labor. Okay. Then we go to cost. Cost control is the main objective. The cost control is the main objective of estimation. Before we going through any work, any construction work, any types of work, first we have to know about the cost of the project. Just example, before we go through a building, suppose residential building, first we have to know how many cost of that building cost. So, cost control is very much important. Then, required material and quantity. Once design are ready, one can work out detailed estimate, and based on the same, one can work out the quantity cost of material required to complete the work. First, we have to know how much quantity material required for the particular job. So, material requirement is very much important. Estimate. By estimation, we define cost, time, and material requirement also. Then, we go through sanction of project. To give the sanction for the project with the modification in the plan, if any, keeping budget and time in view. If any requirement of modification, then we can change it before sanction of project. Before that, we know about equipment required, plants required, tools required, time required, labor required, cost required, and material requirement. After that, we already know that how much cost we spend. Is it easy or not? Labor cost, time. Is it manageable or not? Then we go to sanction of the project. Okay. After that, we go through invite tender. To invite tender from contractor and compare rate with estimate and finalize the contractor based on quantity, rate, and work item. We already know about the how much quantity of material required, how much cost of the project. Then after that, we call for a tender or quotation to give a contract. Okay. Then last is valuation. Valuation is the existing property. You know that. Valuation very much important. Before we go through valuation, you have to know about equipment cost, labor cost, material cost, material amount. Then we go through the valuation. Okay. Then we discuss about procedure of estimating or method of estimation. Estimating involves the following operation. Preparing detailed estimate. First of all, prepare the detailed estimate. What do you mean by detailed estimate? The preparation of detailed estimate consists of working out quantity of various items of work and then determine the cost of each item. This is prepared in two steps. First one is detail of measurement and calculation of quantities. The complete work is divided into various items of work such as earthwork, concreting, brickwork, RCC means reinforced cement concrete, plastering, etc. The detail of measurement are taken from drawing and enter in respective columns for prescribed perform. The quantity are calculated by multiplying the value that are in numbers column to depth column as shown. This table consists with serial number, particulars number. Next column consists with particulars item. Next column length, then breadth, then height, then quantity. Last column indicate remarks. The total prepared detail estimate depends upon the abstract. Okay. By using the cost abstract, we define the quantity of estimation. First, we prepare the detail estimate form. After that, we continue other. Okay. After that, we calculate the rate of each unit of work. So, before we go through calculate the rate of each unit of work, then discuss the next requirement of abstract prepared detail estimate. The second part is abstract of estimated cost. The cost of each item of work is worked out from the quantity that already computed in the detailed measurement form at workable rate. Okay. Then next class we discuss the remaining part. Thank you all of you.